Let's see, we working on, what am I working on today? Oh yeah, the bumper. What I was about to talk about? Oh yeah. Welcome back. We're gonna work on the CTS. We're gonna work on the CTS, but I'm just working on a bumper. I'm not working on an actual car. I need to get the bumper and side skirts with some primer on it, because it's been sitting so long without it, and I need to get it done. And this is one of the things that needs to be done. So I have the bumper right here. I just got to get the side skirts out. There's already been body work somewhat, but I need to put primer on it, and some high build primer, then block it down. I'm not sure at that point if I have to primer it again and then block it down again and paint. So we're gonna go from there and get started. I'm not sure what kind of packing tape they use when they ship this bumper, but man, it was like I remember it was like a yellowish, like a dark yellow, but I didn't use brake cleaner, acetone, thinner to get the glue off. I even tried with what is that? This is 320. I think it was 220, trying to get most of the glue off. I got most of it off with that, and then I came back with the 320 just to go over it again, because you can't have any shiny spots or down in the creases. All that stuff has to be sanded, because if not, it'll start peeling from it. So it takes 4 times longer sanding on it than priming and painting and installing it. 100 times more. So I'm gonna continue sanding on it. I got the 320, and I'm just gonna continue hand sanding on it, trying to get all the little crevices, you know, trying to get all that stuff out. All right, so I had to stop. I had to run in real quick because it started sprinkling. Like, it started sprinkling, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and pick everything up. And then soon as I just threw stuff here in the garage. Soon as I grabbed the bumper and threw it on top of the car, it started pouring. But now it stopped. So I should have just waited. I don't know what I was thinking. I should just put it up, wait it, and then come back out, because most likely it would just stop raining. But it's okay. I got it mostly done, and I'm pretty sure I will have to primer it again. I'm sure of it. So I have to block it down. I got a few pinholes and little divots everywhere, so I just use the it's like a finishing putty, and just use that, block it down, and then paint it. Just paint it. So today was actually pretty cool. It wasn't too bad. I didn't have too many, nobody come by. One person came by, but that was just for a brief second. Not too big of a deal, but I kept going. I had got what I wanted to do today. And also I want to go shout out to all of my military brothers and sisters, veterans, and I'm a veteran myself. Happy Memorial Day. I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, because today is Sunday or Saturday. I think it's Sunday. Yeah, so Monday I think it's for Memorial Day. But I want to say shout out to all you guys out there. Other than that, I had some stuff in line for the element, but the place I need to go pick up parts and supplies from was closed. They was actually closed for the whole weekend. I think they closed on Friday. It was closed Friday, Saturday, and they're going to be closed Sunday and Monday. I think they open normal times, a few hours for Saturday, but oh yeah, they do. They open for like 4 or 5 hours on Saturday, but I couldn't get to them in time. Oh no, they was closed anyway, so what the bell. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm hoping, I think it's supposed to rain for the next 14 days or 12 days here, off and on. And I have some other stuff in line to paint, a couple guns and some other stuff, also Cerakote guns too. One of the things that I do. That's just for hobby. I don't do it for actual business or anything like that. Just a hobby. I do that. But I don't want to keep rambling on. Quick update. The engine still for the Cadillac is still done. Oh, I did order the motor mount that goes actually on the side of the block, that bolts into the block. I ordered them. I actually called GM first and asked them that they have them in stock, and they said that they will. Well, the actual store didn't have them in stock, but the warehouse did, and it may take a couple weeks for them to get it and then send it to me. So a total of 2-week turnaround, which was fine because the last time they didn't have them at all. So that's a good one. And other than that, the Civic is still broke. I don't know what it is. I'm not getting any. The injectors are not firing. I think maybe because of the cam sensor. Because the car will run without the crank sensor, it just won't go past like 3,500 RPM or something like that. But I mean, I threw everything at it. Replaced the fuel pump, replaced the ECU, replaced the injectors, replaced the what is that called? The fuel rail. I replaced that. And there somebody else was gonna stop by, but I'm sitting here talking to a camera, so I'm glad they kept going. What else I replaced? Yeah, it's basically the whole fuel system. And I know the fuel pump is getting to the fuel rail. I know the injector's not firing. And I replaced them with some new ones that I had, but it's still not firing. So something is telling the injectors not to fire and also the relay for them has been replaced too. So I don't know what it is. Only thing I could think of is the cam sensor. It's a D17. So if anybody knows, hey, let me know. It's just problems behind problems. So I can't move the car. I mean, I technically move the car, but it'd be hard for me to push it back, especially without my truck. The Element I probably could, but I wanted to get the Roadrunner out so I could finish the headliner. But that's, and I like to start it up every 2 or 3 weeks, just to keep everything fresh and keep the gas going through, so it won't sit there and just get nasty. Because actually I can tell, because I usually keep the gas cap. I take the gas cap off and just smell it. not for pleasure, but just to see if it's, you know, smelling bad. And so far it's still okay. So because it's been about 3 weeks now, so I was supposed to start it this week, but I didn't. So that's it. Until then, guys, I'll talk to you later. And please comment, like, and subscribe, and see you later.